टुडे वी विल डिस्कस टॉपिक रिंग्स। तो सबसे पहले रिंग्स की डेफिनेशन देखते हैं। रिंग्स क्या होता है? एल्जेब्रिक स्ट्रक्चर इक्विप्ड विथ टू बाइनरी ऑपरेशन। इसकी डेफिनेशन है, सपोज आर इज नॉन एम्प्टी सेट इक्विप्ड विथ two binary operation called addition and multiplication and denoted by plus and dot respectively, is that for all a comma b belongs to R, we have a plus b belongs to R and a comma b belongs to R. Then this algebraic structure R plus R comma plus comma dot is called ring if the following postulates are satisfied. सबसे पहले क्लोजर फॉर ऑल a comma b belongs to R and a plus b belongs to R. Now first one is addition is associative, so a plus b plus c is equal to a plus bracket b plus c for all a comma b belongs to R. Now addition is commutative, so a plus b is equal to b plus a for all a comma b belongs to R. There exists an element denoted by 0 in R such that 0 plus a is equal to a for all a belongs to R. आइडेंटिटी प्रॉपर्टी होती है ये, ठीक है. एंड द फोर्थ वन, टू ईच एलिमेंट a in R belongs to and belongs sorry a in R there exists an element minus a in R such that माइनस ए ब्रैकेट प्लस ए इज इक्वल टू जीरो, ये इनवर्स प्रॉपर्टी है. एंड द फिफ्थ वन इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज एसोसिएटिव, सो ए डॉट ब्रैकेट बी डॉट सी इज इक्वल टू ए डॉट बी डॉट सी, so for all a comma b comma c belongs to R. Now the sixth one is multiplication is distributive with respect to addition for all a comma b comma c in R, so a dot bracket b plus c is equal to a dot b plus a dot c left, and b plus c dot a is equal to b dot a plus c dot a for right. Since addition is common in R, addition is commutative in R, so therefore 0 belongs to R such that 0 plus a is equal to a and a plus 0 for all a belongs to R. Also, if a belongs to R, then minus a plus a is equal to 0, or it can be written as a plus bracket minus a. Now there is another definition, ring with unity. If in a ring R there exists an element denoted by 1 such that 1 dot a is equal to a dot 1 for all a belongs to R, then R is called a ring with unit element. The element 1 belongs to R is called unit element of the ring if ring possess multiplicative identity, then it is a ring with unity. Now the commutative ring. So commutative ring क्या होती है? If in a ring R the multiplication composition is also a commutative ring, if we have a dot b is equal to b dot a for all a comma b belongs to R, then R is called the commutative ring. Now what is the zero divisor? A non-zero element of a ring R is called a zero divisor or divisor of 0 if there exists an element b is not equal to 0 belongs to R such that either ab is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. What is the ring without zero divisor? So a ring R is without zero divisor if product of no two non-zero elements of R is 0. If AB is equal to 0, it implies that A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. Now the another definition, cancellation law in ring. If R is a ring, the R is abelian group with respect to addition. For addition composition, the cancellation law hold in all ring. Therefore the question of cancellation law holding in a ring arise only for the multiplication composition. We say that cancellation law hold in a ring R if A is not equal to 0, AB is equal to AC, which implies that B is equal to C, and A is not equal to 0, so BA is equal to BA is equal to CA, which implies that B is equal to C, where A comma B belongs to R. There's another definition of integral domains. A ring is called integral domain if it is commutative without zero divisor and has unit element. Now there is a definition of field. A ring R with at least two elements is called a field if it is commutative, has unity, and is such that each non-zero element possesses multiplicative inverse. बूलियन रिंग की डेफिनेशन देखते हैं. एन एलिमेंट ए ऑफ रिंग आर इज सेट टू बी idempotent if a square is equal to a. A ring R is called Boolean ring if all of its elements are idempotent if a square is equal to 0 for all a belongs to R. Now, isomorphism of a ring. A ring R is said to be isomorphic to another ring R dash if there exists 1-1 mapping f of R onto R dash such that f of R onto R dash. So f a plus b is equal to f a plus f b and f a b is equal to f a f b for all a comma b belongs to R. Also, such mappings f is said to be an isomorphism of R onto R dash. A mapping f of R onto R dash is an isomorphism of R into R dash if f is 1-1 and if f a plus b is equal to f a plus f b and f a b is equal to f a f b for all a comma b belongs to R. For f to be an isomorphism of R onto R dash, it must be 1-1 onto, and it must preserve both addition and multiplication compositions in R and R dash. There may be more than one isomorphism of R onto R dash if R is isomorphic to R dash. इसकी properties देखते हैं. Image of 0 of R is 0 of R dash. Image of negative of element of R is negative of image of that element. F minus a is equal to minus f a for all a belongs to R. If R is commutative ring, R dash is also. If R is without zero divisor, R dash is also. If R is with unit element, R dash is also. If R is a field, then R dash is also. And R is skew field, so R dash is also. सब रिंग्स की डेफिनेशन क्या होगी? अ नॉन एम्प्टी सबसेट ऑफ रिंग आर प्लस एंड क्रॉस इज called a subring of R if and only if S itself is a ring for the induced composition. Every ring has at least two subrings. 0 and R itself are improper subrings of R. A subring which is not an improper subring is called a proper subring. By definition, it is clear that if S plus and cross is subring of ring R plus and cross, then S plus is a subgroup of commutative group R plus.